Are you gonna let Mom and Daddy hold hands and skate together?
I don't care.
Today we are celebrating Emma's 10th birthday at the skating rink.
Her sister's fixed up her hair, Mama put some makeup on her, and she's all dolled up and ready to go.
This is number 10 birthday, so we gotta look extra fancy.
Double digits.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go over here, guys. I'm so excited for my birthday party with my friends because it's my first one. Come on, guys.
Emma's definitely come out of her shell this year. She's a lot more active at school, you know, interacting and talking with her teachers and her friends. So I definitely think this is going to be a fun party.
Come on,
Emma's
let's
going to have
go inside.
I was still talking.
Come on.
Are you ready? Let's go.
This is lame. There goes Emma. Look at me, Dad.
Did you bring your helmet?
You don't bring your helmet.
I might need a helmet today.
You're weird.
We gotta slow down. Emma had a great time with her awesome BFFs as well as, you know, our extended families.
I think I might have to swap this blade in. That buckles.
It's
No, it's broke.
time for our couple skate.
It's been at least 20 years since I have roller skated.
But a sad, unhappy endings.
You have to move your feet.
All I really know is that I want to be with you. The future's promised to no one.
So this is another bucket list item.
Romantic
Yes.
thing to be doing until we fall and
I'm not planning on falling. I'll be skate daddy. I won't be big daddy. I'll be skate daddy out there on that.
okay.
Try to go backwards. I'll push you.
Oh, like you doing this?
You back, and
Okay.
I'll push you.
Skate daddy and roller girl.
I'm talking about.
Okay, Trent. Yeah, let's not do that. Happy birthday, Emma.
It's really neat to see Emma kind of come out of her shell. She's comfortable. She's warmed up. That was the best part for me, to see Emma having such a good time. Jonah,
Yes?
will you come help me? I'm working on Mom's pedals for the car.
Okay.
We have recently just purchased another vehicle for Amber, and we have to outfit it for pedals. Alex, you can come on with me.
Okay.
Trent and I agreed that it's time to replace the van, so we bought a new car. And it is nice.
A lot of times I get asked, how do you drive? How do you drive that truck? Well, man, you know, at least once a week. So, you know, just to clear that up, we drive with pedal extenders. We have long threaded rods that have a foot pad on the end of it, and it's connected to the manufacturer's pedals, and we drive it with our hands and feet just like everyone else does. Jonah, I'm gonna let you do the cutting.
Okay.
There are people out there that believe little people can't do lots of things. So
How
yeah,
do you drive? Can you have babies, and is your house normal?
little. We're here to say it. We can drive. We live in an average house,
And we can make
and we
babies.
can make babies. They're
Oh, that was nasty. Did it get on your feet too?
yes. You're so disgusting.
Oh man. So we're gonna measure out 7 inches. I think it's important for my kids to know how our pedals work. Should something ever happen, they need to be independent and be able to make that repair or make that fixed. Don't hit it. If you hit this when it's running, it could chip this blade and the blade will fly everywhere. So you see that little corner right here?
Yeah.
Watch. Once it starts cutting, you can roll it up just a little bit. Jonah's definitely more independent and more willing to go out and do things, you know, take on a task. versus Alex. Yes, Alex is our youngest. He's the baby of the family. Alex, what are you doing?
Hiding from the Sparks?
Alex.
What?
Alex is at the age right now where he's not really interested in power tools and being handy.
I want to get a smoothie.
He was more worried about him being too hot or sparks flying on him. You know, he wasn't all about it. I'm leaving it on there, and I'm just turning it.
Yeah.
It don't have to be like perfectly rounded. You know, it's times like this that I'm really proud of Jonah, to see him learning these skills and this self-reliance and this independent on doing things on his own. You know, he definitely was able to see the payoff and the reward when the project was finished. He knew that he had at least half of that project that was completed by him. All right, number 6. Let's look, hold it up in the light over there.
That's fine.
That's perfect. Good job. When I was younger, a teenager and in high school, I was mainly interested in just being able to build things and do things. I'm gonna start making up these brake pads here. A lot of times when Jonah and I are working together, this is where I get emotional. It is important for me to try to make Jonah understand how important it is to know how to do some of these things. There are many times that I wish Jonah would want to be more involved in the projects and the activities that I enjoy doing, just to, not for him to help me, but just to have that father-son time together. Now that we have both pedals assembled, I'm gonna grab the drill.
I got this one, Daddy.
Now all I have to do is set both pedals into place and tighten up all the hardware. All I have to do is take this, hook it up around the brake arm, slide this bolt through. So I want you to drill me a hole right there, okay? All right, these are bolts that you do not want to come loose.
Because that's the brake.
That's right. All right, I think we
Done.
might have it.
Whoa! Ah! I really didn't let you get it.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
y'all want to go get smoothies?
Yo, yeah, baby.
All right, let's go get smoothies.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to ride with me?
No.
No, we want to ride in the new car.
Yeah, the new car's awesome.
The kids were definitely very excited about the new car. All the new bells and whistles it has, as well as air conditioning.
They've been riding with me here lately. If they want to jump back in the car with their mama and ride in that new vehicle with some air conditioning, it's all good. I still like my truck more.
No worries.
And if you need some Big Daddy truck, you can come ride with me.
I'm good. Tomorrow will be a very busy morning, getting ready and being prepared for the mass of people that are going to be here at our house.
We set the yard sale up tonight because in the morning, everybody's usually here real early, like 7 a.m. So I figure if we're set up tonight, ready to go, we can get some rest this evening, wake up bright-eyed, bushy-tailed in the morning, and the first customer can see everything we have.
The price value on that pound cake thing has gone down about 25 cents. All this toaster stuff, Dad, you want?
Yeah, everything in this little huddle.
Start from slow.
Today we have to bring all the stuff downstairs for yard sale.
On a very hot day, I feel hot, dehydrated,
Tired.
tired.
It's horrible.
The Dawn strawberry and banana smoothie would wake me up.
Lord, Alex.
No way. We've had that happy birthday sign.
It's okay. We don't use it anymore at this house.
Mom, Dad's keeping that.
Mind your business, Alex.
Sorry.
Time out. Flag on the plate. There's this birthday sign that we've had probably for like 17 years, And we have celebrated all of our kids' birthday with this sign on the mailbox. Not 17 years. Jonah's only 15.
Exactly. Thank you.
We've
I
had
was
it for-
wondering where that kid came from.
We've had it for a really long time. And that same sign has been on our mailbox every year for every
Until
child.
we moved here.
We have a newsflash. We have a mailbox here.
Yeah, but we don't have the little thingy that you had that we would put it in there.
Ain't
so
nobody in
it
this house
doesn't
had a
work
little
here. And
Oh. It's a horrible day for doing this.
Nana's here.
He is?
Yes, Nana's here.
What?
she's not.
Oh my gosh, Dad!
Hey, we're not throwing all that stuff away now. Hey. We're now, look here, we're not throwing all that stuff, and we're not selling everything now. We just ain't, you just ain't coming over here selling everything. Look here, now.
Oh my
We might do a yard sale, but we're just not selling everything.
That sounds just like her, don't it?
That's terrible. That is like, you're way too close like her, dear. And when I saw him in Nana's
I
nightgown.
know what you thought. You was like, ah.
No, not quite.
Look here.
This morning we're getting ready to start our yard sale. It's bright and early. I think it's about 6:30, 7 o'clock right now. And we're ready to sell this stuff.
Ouch!
Everyone will help with the yard sale, and all of the money that is earned, they'll split it 5 ways, and the kids will have some spending money for the summer. The Johnston yard sale is open for business.
Hey, people are coming.
People are coming.
Hey there, how are y'all? Nice to meet you.
Hi, always nice to meet you.
I think we'll make something like $900 or something.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, no.
No.
900?
200. 200.
If
she stays long enough, you'll be done in a few minutes.
That's fine.
I'd say about 100, 120.
Hey, listen, Alex, that lawnmower that you're sitting on is $500. If you sell it, then I'll give you $200.
Okay.
But you have to sell it without Dad's help.
If I got $200 in spending cash, I would totally buy something really expensive that I always wanted and probably get a cheeseburger after all that shopping. Anybody want to buy a lawnmower? Would you like to buy a lawnmower?
No, thank you.
But this is the best lawnmower in the world. Would you like to buy a lawnmower?
I just bought one.
They would turn him down and tell him no, no. So he'd wait for them to turn around and walk off, and then if they turned back around, he'd kind of shout back at them, hey!
This is a nice lawnmower!
He was trying to give them that one last chance, you know?
It runs.
Can you crank it up?
Would you like to try it?
Thank you, though.
Gotta give it to him.
Maybe salesman is in his future.
We should try it.
Yep, you tried.
Yes.
22, you said?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll make a deal with you. Everything up here for $5.
Today's yard sale went excellent. 50 cents.
50 cents.
Yes, because it's got dogs on it.
I mean, we got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. We made a decent amount of money. $80 a piece.
We made 300. Stop. Egghead. We made $365 dollars and 50 cents, if you want to be exact.
Hey, Jesse. What'd you guys do today? Alex, what'd you do?
Nothing.
I got my nails painted.
You did.
Yep.
Did Emma do it or did you do it?
No, I went to go have them done. Is Grandpa coming?
Grandpa?
Yeah.
I don't know. Mom,
What?
where are you? I'm gonna go talk to her about that, actually. I'm gonna go see what she says.
That made it go farther.
They mentioned seeing Grandpa.
Yeah.
What's the latest on that over week?
It's off. They're not gonna come out here
At all, right now?
at all.
Why?
I mean, the only explanations I get is, you know, they have busy schedules.
Did you offer to pay half, or?
I've
Not that
offered,
we can, I
I've
mean, we'll
invited,
figure
I've
out a way.
stated over and over and over, call anytime, come out anytime.
You know, it gets to where it bugs me after a while when I see Amber disappointed and trying so hard for something and it's just not working out. I don't like seeing Amber let down. I don't like seeing Amber disappointed. Well, it's a bummer.
Yeah.
And so now I think we're at the time where Amber needs to ask herself, do I keep going or do I move on?
It would be hard for me to not see a kid. So, I mean, it's hard for me to not see my kids for a few days, let alone years. Relationships are definitely a two-way street. I can't make them do something they don't want to do. I've put a lot of effort in trying to make this relationship work, and I don't want to, you know, keep getting let down. I mean, I don't know what exactly I'm going to do to move forward with this relationship.
It's Taco Tuesday.
It is. Here, I've got some
I
more.
don't want to eat this.
More tacos?
Yes. Can you scoop?
Oh my.
I would like both of my butt cheeks on the bench. So I found a place online, a goat farm that has the goats that we're interested in. Goats.
I'm not interested.
I think that it would be neat for the Johnston farm to expand. And having goats will provide the kids another animal to play with and also, you know, help keep down the brush and the briars in the backyard.
I don't want goats.
Jonah, you don't ever want anything.
I don't want my soccer ball to roll in piles of crap as it goes off. And every
Poop.
No, it's crap. A poop is solid. That is.
Please stop talking like crap.
The rest of the family thinks that they don't want goats, but when they see how cute they are, they'll be on board.
No more animals. We don't need any more animals.
You never know. I'm fine with the parrot. That speaks like, ah! Sounds annoying. Ah!
And we got a lot going on in our house. I mean, we have 5 kids, a house renovation, 6 chickens, and a dog. I'm just not too sure about bringing goats home. Let's take a vote.
Yep.
All for goats, raise your hand.
See how the goats are? Yeah. Minute Emma sees them.
Anybody that don't want goats, raise your hand.
1, 2, 3, and then 3. So we're kind of even right now. So now that I've got Alex and Emma on my side, I've just got to convince one more kid, and then we will have majority, and the Johnstons will have some goats.
Wait. I'll kind of want just to play outside.
Well, I think that we should at least go visit the farm. They've got a nursery with brand new baby goats that they bottle feed and stuff.
We're gonna go check it out, then we'll base our decision. And I've got $25 for everybody that votes no.
Hey, don't. You will not do
I will give you $25, you bet no. Trust me. You know they say goats are bad.
Hey, Alex, come here for a sec. Hey, have a seat. Remember the MRI scan that Dr. Fletcher talked to you about to check out your back? Well, I wanted to prepare you for what's coming up.
Oh.
It has been a few weeks since our appointment with Dr. Fletcher. He did request that Alex have an MRI on his back to know if there's something going on with his back that we need to take care of sooner than later. So when we do the MRI, they're gonna give you some medicine that makes you sleepy. So that way you'll sleep through it because it's kind of noisy and you have to lay real still the whole time.
But what if I move during while I sleep?
You won't.
Oh.
Having achondroplasia, any type of anesthesia is risky because of our maxillofacial area. The airways are much smaller, and with Alex even more so due to him having sleep apnea. In order for them to give you medicine, you can't eat the day of. You can't eat
all?
until after you have the MRI.
So when I have breakfast?
No breakfast.
I couldn't even have a crumb of anything?
No. Okay.
And I'm feeling a little irritated because I might be starving the whole way there, and it's up in Atlanta, and that's pretty far away.
So, are you worried about the MRI?
A little.
What are you worried about?
I don't want to have honest back surgery.
Well, we're not saying that. We just decide if we need to have another appointment with Dr. Fletcher or if he thinks you're fine, and we'll see him next year.
Next year for what?
A checkup.
Okay.
Yeah, he wants to see you once a year, no matter what. I think Alex is a little worried. He knows that the results will determine what's going to happen next. We're hoping that Alex's MRI will come back clean and he won't need surgery, but we'll have to wait and see.
Can we have cheeseburgers afterwards?
If you handle it like a big man, we'll have cheeseburgers. Oh, look at the goat.
Look at that warning sign.
Oh, they look cute.
Yeah.
Today we are going to a goat farm to check out some goats. Then we will have a family vote on whether or not we get goats.
Right, I'm Trent.
Tara.
Tara?
Nathan.
Nathan, how are you? This is my boss, Amber.
You boss.
I think this is who y'all might have spoke with.
I'm Amber. Nice to meet you.
Now, we have 2 teams of goats here.
Is that where the color difference comes in the shirts?
No,
The yes and the no?
No, we don't have the
the
yes.
boys versus the girls.
Yeah, the
but
boys.
He's on my team.
We have team goats and team no goats.
Team goats is myself, Emma, and Alex.
Team no goats is me, Jonah, and Elizabeth.
I'm team 50-50.
Oh, Mom, look at that one.
These are the bucks. Now here's the catch with the bucks. They like to pee on their faces. The
On
bucks,
each other's faces?
No, on their own face. It's like a perfume for the does. So we call it's the odor de goat.
That's
The
disgusting.
odor to goat.
It's pretty pungent.
Oh, when I found out that the goats peed on their own faces,
To attract females.
That was just so disgusting.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, those are cute. Man, they're so cute. Yeah, I want that one. I want this one. I want that one. That one's cute.
It's sweet.
Oh, look.
I saw the expression on Elizabeth's face. I knew right then I was in trouble. I was losing a team member.
Dad, I think I'm moving to Mom's team. Sorry.
You might just want to pull out of this race, Big Daddy. Just suck it up, Buttercup. You're gonna have 2 more goats in that backyard. That's what I thought.
I don't pull out of anything. I'm staying in for the long haul. So,
So, we are going to have a vote. Who does not want goats? Raise your hand. You do not want goats?
I do not want goats.
Who wants to get goats? Raise your hand. Raise it high, Elizabeth. That's it. We're getting goats.
Yay!
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yeah, good.
I'll drive while you can read your goat information.
No, I'll drive.
I'll drive.
I'll drive. Prince, you're such a goober.
Yeah, he is a goofy
You
goober.
could climb a goober, we let you get goats. Mom, Emma wants to know what a goofy goober is.
Hey, I think your mama's goats are here.
I think the goats are here.
I hope we get a very cute one.
The more we were looking into goats, I started thinking that baby goats were not going to be the best option for us.
I'll introduce you to who we've got today.
Whoa.
Look at there.
So that's Scratch,
Hey, he's a big boy.
and his little buddy is Sniff.
I decided that we would go with adult goats.
Here you go. Everybody in the family seemed like they were pretty excited to see the goats come out today. So by the end of the trial period, I think everybody will be on Team Goats.
Oh my gosh. Ew. Oh. Wow, that's a lot.
That is disgusting.
How often does that happen?
Pretty often, about every few minutes. Yeah.
Every few minutes.
Oh yeah, yeah. I bet every 5 minutes one of them
Chicken
will drop a bunch of little pellets. Lots of goat poo.
Wow.
Yeah. 5 minutes here, we
So
only have that
we're,
much.
Hashtag Team Goats.
Bigger hashtag, Team No Goat.
Hashtag Just Vote Goat.
Hashtag Goat Poop.
Oh, peeing for the 5th time.
I could tell that the kids' enthusiasm about these goats was going downhill really quick.
Well, they're eating the chicken feed.
No, I just refilled this stuff today, please.
I'm building Team No Goat back up, and I'm not having to do anything. My newest members are joining completely on their own. I don't know. I think it's going to be a lot more than what we bargained
It's
for.
gonna be fine.